Hey guys, welcome back to BCR. Whether you are a cinephile who wants to bring cinema into your home or need a throw projector for your business presentations, you are in the right place. In today's video, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best ultra-short throw projectors on the market in 2022. We've ranked the list based on features, price, quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you'd like to see the updated price and find out more information, please check out the links in the description below. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and click the like button if you want more videos like this. Are you done? Great, let's go! High-end projection technology has been becoming more and more popular in the home cinema space for quite some time now. We've been seeing big brands like Samsung, Vava, LG, and Epson are getting in on the action. What are the benefits of having an ultra-short throw projector? Ultra-short throw projectors are an evolution of existing short throw beamers. While regular short throw projectors can project images at a few feet away from the wall, ultra-short throw projectors can project even higher quality images at only a few inches from the wall. Other than those, ultra-short throw projectors also include built-in speakers. This ensures that the sound is coming from the same direction as the image, providing you an amazing viewing experience. So now, let's find out the 5 best ultra-short throw projectors that you can buy this 2022. Coming in at number 5, we have the Optima Cinemax P2 Laser TV. The Optima Cinemax P2 Laser TV offers a very wide range of unique preset modes. It's obvious that its creators have put so much attention on the product's color accuracy. A lot of users rate it as excellent in terms of color performance with minimal adjustments required. Cinema and reference are our favorite modes to use when watching movies and TV content. They provide the most accurate colors. No worries, you won't have any problems with the 4K HDR features of some movies because the Cinemax P2 does an outstanding job in upscaling to display 4K. Optima claims that it displays 3000 ANSI lumens of brightness, which can achieve a 2 million to 1 contrast ratio. While this can be very bright, it does affect the accuracy of the colors it's projecting. There is a slight color shift when you get close to 100% brightness level, which is visible enough to make a difference in skin tones. Talking about the dynamic black technology of Optima, they describe it as a feature that gives more depth to your image by smoothly adjusting the lamp output to create a stunning high contrast ratio. Bright scenes appear crisp and clear, while dark scenes remain detailed with deep blacks and exceptional light and shade detail. The P2 black level is good in the realm of DLP projectors. However, images can be a little too harsh to some if the dynamic black feature is turned on, so they prefer to turn it off. For the lifespan of the laser light source, it can be used up to 30,000 hours. For the audio quality, the Cinemax P2 uses the Dolby Digital 2.0 built-in Bluetooth speaker. It provides one of the best audio qualities within its price point with powerful mid-bass and great music vocals. Next on our list, at number 4, is the Bowmaker Polaris 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser TV. The Bowmaker Polaris doesn't need a dedicated home theater space. It can produce a 100-inch screen with less than a foot of distance, which means that you don't need to change your room's arrangement for you to use it. With its 2500 ANSI lumens brightness, you don't need light control measures. You can use it in a space even if it has lots of windows and natural lights. The advanced picture technology in the Bowmaker Polaris includes a .47 DMD chipset and a 3-channel laser. This also includes support for image technology like HDR10 and XPR. Its 4K resolution produces around 8.3 million pixels on the screen. It also uses a wide-angle Ricoh lens, which enhances the contrast, so the picture has rich black levels and excellent texture. The Bowmaker Polaris has a motion estimation and motion compensation, or MEMC, technology that keeps the motion smooth with no blur or choppiness. This applies with fast action sequences, which means that it is great for viewing live sports and blockbuster action movies. Another great feature of the Bowmaker Polaris is that it has a proximity sensor on the light source, which reduces its brightness to avoid hurting or even injuring your eyes when it detects that you're within 1 meter of the lens. This feature makes it a safe choice for families and households with young children. Just like the Cinemax P2, it is okay to be used by casual gamers, but not by hardcore gamers. The Bowmaker Polaris offers great range for wired and wireless options. Its Android operating system is easy to use and supports some direct streaming, though some popular apps like Netflix aren't supported, so others prefer to use external content sources. This product has a built-in standby soundbar that produces a 3-dimensional hi-fi sound. This is supported by Dolby DTS technology to further ensure the integrity of the audio signal. But if you want a true surround sound experience, it is still recommended to use external speakers. Our number 3 choice is the Epson Epic Vision Ultra LS300. The Epson Epic Vision Ultra LS300 can produce a 120-inch picture if you put it 15 inches away from the wall. This makes it very easy to set up in any room, since all you need is to set it on a table, rather than mounting it. The Epson LS300 utilizes a 3-chip design to generate the colors it needs to project. This helps in the provision of a consistent brightness across the image, while preventing visual issues like the rainbow effect, letting you enjoy what you're watching without distractions. This projector performs very well in any ambient level light, with its 3600 ANSI lumens brightness. It can achieve 1.5 million to 1 dynamic contrast ratio, and can project fast-moving sequences with no blurring, thanks to its fast processor. However, one thing you need to consider is that while it supports 4K input, its native resolution is Full HD or 1080p. This is the same resolution with a lot of HD TVs, so it's still relatively sharp and realistic, just not as crisp or detailed as a true 4K projector. One of the greatest features of the Epson LS300 is its connectivity. It can function as a Bluetooth speaker, expanding its potential in multi-use spaces. You can also cast content wirelessly from Android and Apple phones and computers too. This uses an Android TV interface for navigating and organizing your content, which allows you to stream popular channels like YouTube and HBO. It also has Google Assistant built in, making it possible for you to search for content using your voice. In terms of audio quality, its built-in sound has phenomenal performance, thanks to the Yamaha 2.1 sound system that's installed in it. It is designed specifically for the Epic Vision Ultra LS300 with a dedicated woofer, which is tuned with Audio Engine DSP technology and provides full and powerful sound with a good amount of bass. The second best performing USD projector on our list is the LG HU85LA Cinebeam projector. Setting up the LG HU85LA is an absolute breeze. You can create a 90-inch display if you put it at 2.2 inches away from the wall. The maximum projection it can provide is 120 inches at only 7.2 inches away from the wall. This laser projector offers a massive 4K resolution, which includes 4K upscaling and support for HDR10. Its brightness is 2700 lumens that can achieve 2 million to 1 contrast ratio. The LG HU85LA uses a 3CH laser, which is so much better compared to dual laser projectors. This enables the projector to cover 97% of the DCI P3 color space. Its lamp life can last up to 20,000 hours. It also has a feature where you can choose different modes like Standard, Cinema, Sports, and Game. Although we found out that the Standard or Cinema modes are the best in most situations, with Cinema mode being the best if you can control ambient light. In terms of its connectivity, it uses LG's WebOS that is very easy to navigate, especially if you've tried using an LG TV before. It also comes with Google Assistant, which means you can use your voice to search for something. Another cool feature of this projector is that it supports voice control, which means you can control the volume, jump to different apps, and many more by only using your voice. The remote even has a built-in microphone in it, so you don't have to get anywhere near the projector. And finally, for the audio, its built-in speakers are 5 watts plus 5 watt stereo with Bluetooth support. All in all, they are okay. They're not bad, but there's nothing crazy about the quality of the sound. And to be honest, with the high quality images this projector produces, you might want to invest in some high quality speakers too. Before we reveal our top pick, if you're enjoying our content, don't forget to like and share it so others can watch it too. We appreciate it. So, for our number 1 pick, we have the Premier LS-P9T 4K laser projector by Samsung. The Samsung LS-P9T can project up to 130 inches of display, with it being only 4.4 inches away from the wall. This projector is a 4K triple laser projector that comes with 3 different lasers, dedicated to each color, red, green, and blue. According to Samsung, this helps the projector in processing each color from the scene individually. As a result, it is capable of producing a vivid, rich, and bright output. The peak brightness of the Samsung LS-P9T is 2800 lumens. This ensures high brightness and clear and sharp output, even if it's daytime. It is also important to mention that this is the first projector that comes with HDR10+ support. The projector can also deliver 106% BT 2020 HDR color gamut and 147% DCI-P3 digital color system. This matches the commercial cinema standards, letting you experience true cinema at home. The projector also features Samsung's Smart TV platform and comes pre-installed with popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and many more. Plus, it supports tap view and mirroring features. You just need to tap the right corner of the projector to mirror your smartphone screen. You can connect the Samsung LS-P9T through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet, 3 HDMI, 1 USB, digital audio port, and 1 RF input. And you can choose among Bixby, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa as your smart voice assistant. Lastly, for the speakers, it is built in with 40 watts 4.2 channel speaker setup with a built-in subwoofer and acoustic beam surround sound technology. The speaker also provides decent bass. Overall, the speaker does the job and is actually good enough for most needs. Thanks for watching, and we truly hope we helped you choose the right USD projector to fit your needs. Keep in mind that all of these ultra-short throw projectors are great. You can literally buy any of these and still be happy with whatever you bought. It will then just depend on what features are most important for you and how much you're willing to spend. That's it for today's video. Do you agree with our list? What is your personal choice? Let us know by commenting down below. Until our next video, bye!